Assalamu alaikum. Today we'll look at a place in the Talmud where it says that the court should not judge by the Torah if it benefits the Jews. So this is in the Talmud. Rav Ashi quotes a Barita. He says, in the case of a Jew and a Gentile who approach the court for judgment in a legal dispute, if you can vindicate the Jew under Jewish law, vindicate him and say to the Gentile, this is our law. If he can be vindicated under Gentile law, vindicate him and say to the Gentile, this is your law. So, in other words, if it benefits the Jew, right, and the Jew would go free, then judge by the law of the Torah. But if the law of the Torah would render him guilty, then don't judge by the law of the Torah and instead judge by the Gentiles' law. If the Gentiles' law will get the Jew off without punishment. So, if it benefits the Jew, judge by the Torah. If it doesn't benefit the Jew, judge by someone else's law, right? And remember, this is the Babylonian Talmud, right? These rulings apply to Babylonia, which was what? Under Persian law. Right? That's not the law of God. That was not the law of God. That was the law of Taghut, false gods. And they're saying judge by the laws of the false gods and the false religion if it benefits the Jews. And Maimonides confirms this in Mishnah Torah, which is his book codifying Jewish law. If there is a dispute between a Jew and an idolater, if the Jew will fare better according to their laws, they are judged according to their laws. When the judgment is rendered, the judge explains, your law obligates this judgment. If the Jew will fare better according to our laws, they are judged according to Torah law. When the judgment is rendered, the judges explain, our law obligates this judgment. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He mentioned in the Quran about the Jews who say, يقولون إن أوتيتم هذا فخذوه وإن لم تؤتوه فاحذروا. They say, if you're given this, then take it. And let's see. If you are given this, take it. But if you are not given it, then beware. So this is in the context of judgment. They're saying, if you're given this judgment that you want, then take it. But if you're not given that judgment that you want, then beware. Which is similar to what we just saw here, where they're saying, if it benefits you, then judge by the law of God. If it doesn't benefit you, go to an idolater's law, go to a Gentile's law. It doesn't matter. You don't need to judge by the law of God. You can judge by the law of false gods, false religions. وَكَيْفَ يُحَكِّمُونَكَ وَعِندَهُمُ التَّوْرَاةُ فِيهَا حُكْمُ اللَّهِ ثُمَّ يَتَوَلَّوْنَ مِنْ بَعْدِ ذَلِكَ وَمَا أُولَئِكَ بِالْمُؤْمِنِينَ. But how is it that they come to you for judgment while they have the Torah, in which is the judgment of Allah? Then they turn away even after that. They're not in fact believers. Then Allah mentions that He sent down the Torah, and at the end He says, وَمَنْ لَمْ يَحْكُمْ بِمَا أَنزَلَ اللَّهُ فَأُولَٰئِكَ هُمُ الْكَافِرُونَ. And whoever does not judge by that which Allah has sent down, then it is those who are the disbelievers. أَفَحُكْمَ الْجَاهِلِيَّةِ يَبْغُونَ وَمَنْ أَحْسَنُ مِنَ اللَّهِ حُكْمًا لِقَوْمٍ يُوقِنُونَ. Then is it the judgment of the time of ignorance that they desire? And who is better than Allah in judgment for a people who are certain in faith? Do you need to go to these false judgments and these false laws for judgment? Is that what you want? Instead of the law of God? This is kufr. This is disbelief in God.